Have you ever wondered why adding soap to water or even milk with a touch of food coloring leads to something amazing? It's all about how molecules interact. Let me explain it to you. Water molecules behave like magnets, tightly pulling each other. However, when we introduce soap, it slips between the water molecules, reducing surface tension. Think of water molecules like an elastic material. When we lower the tension in the middle, the elastic is pulled from the outside. When viewed from above, the elastic contracts in all directions, causing the circle to expand. As the surface tension in the middle of the water decreases, the water molecules are attracted to the edges of the plate, carrying the food coloring and creating beautiful patterns. Now, you might be wondering, why use milk instead of water in this experiment? And why add food coloring? Well, milk is primarily composed of water. In fact, there is enough water in milk to disregard the other components. Using milk is beneficial as it provides a white backdrop, making the colors appear brighter. However, the process is similar to that of water. Moreover, food coloring was utilized in this experiment to make the changes more visible. Since milk is white, it's challenging to perceive any movement or patterns. Adding a bit of food coloring allows us to witness the intriguing effect of the interaction between soap and milk. The colors blend with the milk, creating an enchanting swirl that makes this experiment so delightful to observe.